The long wait is over. 2009. Rural Records Entertainment presents. It's the X
We are the realest in the streets.
to the O
We got the hottest bag of beats.
to the I
This is history in the making.
to the C
Just
to the Y. So icy. So icy. So icy. It's the X to the O to the I to the Y. We the movement. We the movement.
Rural Records Entertainment.
We are the realest in the streets,
It's the X to the O to the ICY.
and we gotta stay fly. This is our time to shine now. Genocide and GY, baby.
We are the streets. We represent the hip hop in the Philippines.
So get your shine,
Get your shine,
grind on.
grind on.
So get your shine,
Get your shine,
grind on.
grind on.
We are the movement, y'all. We are the streets. We represent the hip hop in the Philippines.
So get your shine,
Get your shine,
grind on.
grind on.
So get your shine,
Get your shine,
grind on.
grind on.
Now make it clap for the realest Filipino G's. The movement with the hustlers from the ghetto streets. Now make it clap for we the realest Filipino G's. The best in the movement in the Philippines.
Look your watch, homeboy. It's our time, so clear the way. Rural Records and so ISIS Entourage is on the way. You are the moving, it's our testimony. Stick it to your brain. From your hood to the streets, to the club, we make it rain. No, we ain't faking, that's not our game. We represent the Philippines, that's staying true in this game. We ain't imitators, unlike these MCs that are lame. Copying styles and flow of foreign rappers just for fame. Yeah, we original, just listen to our beats. Filipino Tourist Productions is a brand of banging beats. If you heard that, that's our tag in all our beats. Certified, it's a track that will dominate the streets. This time we're taking over, this time we'll make it higher. And we still stand alone like a tall skyscraper. We the realest definition of hip-hop in the PI, that's a fact. Cause we ain't rapping just for the paper.
We are the movement, y'all. We are the streets. We represent the hip hop in the Philippines.
So get your shine,
Get your shine,
grind on.
grind on.
So get your shine,
Get your shine,
grind on.
grind on.
We are the movement, y'all. We are the streets. We represent the hip hop in the Philippines.
So get your shine,
Get your shine,
grind on.
grind on.
So get your shine,
Get your shine,
grind on.
grind on.
Now make it clap for the realest Filipino G's. The movement with the hustlers from the ghetto streets. Now make it clap for we the realest Filipino G's. The best in the movement in the Philippines. Now is the time to move, now is the time to prove, to put the real G's on the game like OGs do. Now is the movement to grind, to put your shine on, to show the world wide Filipinos we're making it on. The name G to the rhyme and genocide, we in the same line now, so put these lyrics on your mind. This rap game ain't stopping, cause we still flying. We're never gonna stop until we reach the summit. Show the hood with a movement in the streets, you can find me. Full breed soldiers, my environment raised me. So you should know by the name who we are. So I see you in the building, we are born superstars. Show some love for the ghetto like my old Ruth Rich. Got our name so famous, so I see on the main page. Watch our movement now and see how we shine. Well known worldwide, Filipino pride. We are the movement, y'all. We are the streets. We represent the hip hop in the Philippines.
So get your shine,
Get your shine,
grind on.
grind on.
So get your shine,
Get your shine,
grind on.
grind on.
We are the movement, y'all. We are the streets. We represent the hip hop in the Philippines.
So get your shine,
Get your shine,
grind on.
grind on.
So get your shine,
Get your shine,
grind on.
grind on.
Now make it clap for the realest Filipino G's. The movement with the hustlers from the ghetto streets. Now make it clap for we the realest Filipino G's. The best in the movement in the Philippines.
Now that's what I'm telling you.
We the movement.
Hey girl, What up? We got this brand new track dedicated to all the lovely ladies out there.
This is the So Icy made sweet version, yo. Making it real now, you heard? Hey girl, you hear it first. With the movement. Hey girl, I can see it in your eyes. I wanna hold you down, I wanna lay you down until you feel alright. I'm telling you now what I feel, and I'll do all the things that you love, and just to show what I can do, I'm gonna do it forever.
What it do, little mama, this your boy Genocide. And I just wanna holla, come with me and we go ride. Let me cruise you in this song and show you what it's like to be loved by a hustler. So shorty, hold on tight. First I wanna let you know, damn shorty, you're so fine. Can I get your phone number? Let's talk on the line. When I meet you, baby girl, I don't care about the time. Yes, I'll change for the better, just promise you'll be mine.
Hey girl, I can see it in your eyes. I wanna hold you down, I wanna lay you down until you feel alright. I'm telling you now what I feel, and I do all the things that you love, just to show what I can find. Gotta do it forever.
I got your name on my mind, girl, every time the night's cold. Wishing all the moments like we drink together, ice cold beer in the club, all the people in the crowd, seeing me and you chilling right, doing right, holding tight. In the same time, in the same line, we're doing all the basic stuff, one at a time. First is kissing, next is hugging, take it off for the next move. Gotta chill it out, I can't wait until the next move.
Hey girl, I can see it in your eyes. I wanna hold you down, I wanna lay you down tonight. I'm telling you now all the things that you love, just to show what I can do. Check this out now.
Hey girl, let me treat you right, let me hold you tight tonight. I promise that I will show my gentle love. Just close your eyes now, baby. Let me love you till you go crazy. Make her mood go up when you do it down. Make her love forevermore. Hey girl, listen to this song. Let me hold you down and let me lay you down until you feel alright. I wanna be with you, girl, forevermore.
Just to show what
Make love to you, make love to you, make love to
Every
you.
time I close my eyes, I can see your smile. Every moment with you, girl, I cherish the time. Every day I'm dreaming that you'll be mine. Hey girl, let me show my love one more time. One of the finest Filipino truest beats, mainstream, Genocide and G-Rhyme in the building.
Rural Records with the movement.
Yeah, I know you heard about the new school here at the PI, right? It's the realest PI crank music, yo. It's the movement, yo.
Nagulat ang lahat sa aming dating, lahat sumasabay sa aming taglay na magaling. Lahat namulat sa makabagong panahon.
We gonna hit you back, better watch your back, so ice is in this track.
Rural Records finest, and here we go now. Rural Records finest, and here we go now. Rural Records finest, and here we go now. Sumabog ang pangalan sa laro, so icy ngayon, bumabayo buong buo. Sa todo ng rap game kami ang batikan. Ang mga kumakalaban ay di magtatagal. Isang pagsabog, ngayon marami ang nakarinig. Kanta namin may tema at lahat nakikinig. Mainggit na tumitira ay aming nilampasan. Kahit madami ang galit, madami din kaibigan lumalaban. Kahit ano pang klase ng digmaan, sa bayan kung sa bayan, wala nang maiiwan. At sa estilo at datigan na kami ang nagpatunay na nilalaman ng isip namin ay sadyang makulay. Hinahatak namin ngayon ang bawat isa, kasabay ng pagbulong sa tenga ko ng mga banta. Madami ang sasawi kapag ito ay nagpatuloy, kaya habang maaga boy, magkaisa. Nagulat ang lahat sa aming sumasabay sa aming taglay na magaling. Lahat na mulat sa makabagong panahon.
We gonna hit you back, better watch your back, so ice is in this track.
Rural Records finest, and here we go now. Rural Records finest, and here we go now. Rural Records finest, and here we go now.
Gusto ang pagmulat, ngayon ang pagsikat ng makabagong estilo. Sinisiwalat panibagong yugto ng hip-hop sa Pilipinas. Ito aming pagkilos, walang makakatakas. Kasabay ng liriko at dagundong, sumasabog bawat katagang sa speaker umalulong. Pinagbibay ang sining ng hip-hop, pilit sinulong. Lahat ng nanggagalit tabi, kayo sumuro. Sinabi ko sa inyo na wala kami pake. Kung ikaw ay nagagalit, pwes ikaw ay tumabi. Hindi ka siya ulat kausayan, tinood sa adika. Hindi na dapat pansinin, ikaw na tumitira sa amin. Eto na ang pwersa, tunay na makapangyari ang mga sinulat na kataga sa kanya. Ang pinanggalingan at tatagulod ang tunay na pundasyon na ang hip-hop. Lahat ng kritiko, alam ko kayo'y nagulat.
Nagulat ang lahat sa aming dating. Lahat sumasabay sa aming taglay na magaling. Lahat na mulat sa makabagong panahon.
We gonna hit you back, better watch your back, so ice is in this track.
Rural Records finest, and here we go now. Rural Records finest, and here we go now. Rural Records finest, and here we go now.
It's the realest Filipino G's. Throw your gang signs, boy, as we rap the streets. It's the realest Filipino G's. We keep it real, we keep it locked in the ghetto streets.
It's Santa Ana's finest, so make it clap, yo. It's Santa Ana's finest, so make it clap, yo. It's Santa Ana's finest, so make it clap, yo. Clap, 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 clap now. Nagulat ang lahat sa aming dating. Lahat sumasabay sa aming taglay na magaling. Lahat na mulat sa makabagong panahon.
We gonna hit you back, better watch your back, so ice is in this track.
Rural Records finest, and here we go now. Rural Records finest, and here we go now. Rural Records finest, and here we go now. Nagulat ang lahat sa aming dating. Lahat sumasabay sa aming taglay na magaling. Lahat na mulat sa makabagong panahon.
We gonna hit you back, better watch your back, so ice is in this track.
Rural Records finest, and here we go now. Rural Records finest, and here we go now. Rural Records finest, and here we go now.
Keep it locked.
Rural Records. Biglang tumibok ang puso na parang may kaba. Hindi ko rin alam kung paano sasabihin kung ano ang nakita ko sa'yo. Parang pinana mo ang puso at hindi rin mapigilan ng pag-iisip sa'yo. Mapaaraw o gabi, hindi na ako mapakali. Ikaw ay nasa panaginip, magkahawak ang kamay. Yayakapin ka ng mahigpit, hindi maghiwalay. Habang iniisip ang pagkakataong ito, nakasama ang aking mahal dito sa tabi ko. At wala nang magbabago sa atin kahit tumagal ang taon at panahon. Mananatili kang sa akin at ako sa iyo. Yan ang iyong tatandaan. Sinisigaw ng puso ko na tayo'y magpakailanman. Magsasama sa buhay, sa ginhawa o sa hirap. Ang lahat ay gagawin upang matupad ating pangarap.
ito at sana mabasa ang aking sulat. Isa man ng pahina, sagad naman at nag-aalam. 8 rima ng pag-ibig na mula sa puso ko kinalap. Ito ang mga sumusunod na nadarama kapag andyan ka. Ang makita ka buo na araw ko at masaya na. Sa tuwing tayong dalawa ay magkikita at magkasama, ako'y kontento na kahit di na umalis at maggalapa. Yung ipagtatapat sa'yo, hindi ko kayang mawala ka. Dahil sa'yo lang binuo ang mundo ko. Maniwala ka sana, ang hinangat ay mahal kapag silbihan at mahagad ka. Yan lang ang gustong gawin hanggang ako ay mawala na. Halika sa'kin at sumama, dami ng luha ko pag wala ka. Huwag na huwag mong lilisanin dahil hindi ko tumakakaya. Ay sana lang bago tapos tumami ka sa'kin may sasabihin. Girl, mahal na mahal kita, yan ang sigaw nitong damdamin.
Sa aking damdamin, di ko akalain na mamahalin mo din ako. Dahil alam ko na hindi tayo pareho. Simpleng tao lang ako na nagmamahal sa'yo at umaasa na di maglaho ang pag-ibig mo. Mahal kita, alam mo yan at walang iba. Dito sa puso ko, ikaw lang ang nakadikta. Wala na sana magbago sa ating dalawa at pinapangako ko ikaw lamang sinta. Pagmamahalan natin na walang katapusan. Umasa ka sa akin, hindi kita pababayaan. Puso ko, pag-ibig ko, sa'yo ilalaan. Gagawin ko ang lahat para ito'y panindigan.
Ikaw lang ang aking mamahalin. Pangako ko, lagi kong sasambitin ang pangalan mo na nakaukit sa damdamin ko. Kailan may di mawawala ang pagmamahal sa'yo. Yeah, 2009 Unica, so icy with the movement, Rural Record.
Sa'yo lang ang puso kong ito, yan ay aking pangako. Wala nang dapat pang isipin, ang pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo lang ang puso kong ito, yan ay aking pangako. Wala nang dapat pang isipin, ang pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Diba alam mo na, ikaw lang at walang iba dito sa puso ko. Ikaw lang ang nag-iisa. Itong damdamin ko'y hindi magbabago kahit anong mangyari. Ang pag-ibig ko'y para sa'yo. At sana ay pakinggan mo itong awitin kong ito, galing sa puso ko. Sana'y malaman mo, minamahal kita. Ako'y sa'yo sinta, wala tong halong biro. Magtanong mo man to sa iba, sa'yo lang ang puso ko kong ito, yan ay aking pangako. Wala nang dapat pang isipin, ang pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo lang. Ang puso kong ito, yan ay aking pangako. Wala nang dapat pang isipin, ang pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Ngayong alam mo na, pag-ibig ko sa'yo ay tunay, yan ang totoo. Pero bakit ganito? Ako'y niloko mo, pinaikutan mo. Ngunit kahit ganon, ako'y nandito lang para sa'yo. At sana ay pakinggan mo itong awitin kong ito, galing sa puso ko. Sana'y malaman mo, minamahal kita. Ako'y sa'yo sinta, wala tong halong biro. Magtanong mo man to sa iba, sa'yo lang ang puso kong ito, yan ay aking pangako. Wala nang dapat pang isipin, ang pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo lang ang puso kong ito, yan ay aking pangako. Wala nang dapat pang isipin, ang pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo.
Sasabihin ko sa'yo ang totoo, di ba una pa lang ito'y inamin ko sa'yo na ikaw lang ang mahal at wala nang iba.
Talaga?
Oh, promise yan, ni-record ko pa.
Ayun ba?
Yes girl, di ko yun na-forget. Kahit sa text pa ulit-ulit, kahit di mo mag-get na ang mga nilalaman ng mga lyrics kong ito ay nagsasabi sa'yo na ako ay totoo na umiibig.
Bakit hindi ko ma-feel?
Ayun lang ang hirap sa'yo, laging hindi mo ma-feel. Kahit lahat ginagawa ko para mapasaya ka, kahit tanong mo pa to sa iba, ikaw lang talaga.
Talaga ha?
Huwag na magtamang hinala, kahit tingin mo ay tama. Isipin mo naman sana na sa tagal-tagal ng relasyon nating dalawa, kahit ni minsan di ko binalak maghanap ng iba.
Dapat lang no? Hindi ko lang maisip na sa dami ng mga pinagdaanan natin ay sadyang ikaw pa rin. Kahit pa na huling-huli ka ay ayaw mo pa rin aminin. Pero wag ka mag-alala dahil sa'yo lang ang puso
Sa'yo lang din ang pag-ibig kong ito, yan ay aking pangako. Hindi na magbabago girl, bahala sa'yo. Ang puso kong ito ay inaalay ko sa'yo.
Sa'yo lang ang puso
Sa'yo lang din ang lahat, itaga mo sa bato. Sinasabi ko dito ay totoo, wala tong halo na biro. Kahit tanong mo kung kanino ang sagot ay sa iyo.
Sa'yo lang ang puso kong ito,
Sa'yo, pangako.
yan ay aking
It's the X
pangako.
to the O
Wala
to the
nang dapat
ICY.
pang isipin, ang
Huli ka.
pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo
rhyme.
lang ang puso kong ito,
Records introduced.
yan ay aking pangako.
This song right
Wala
here is
nang
produced by
dapat pang
Genocide.
isipin, ang
the
pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo.
Yeah, this is our tribute to the king of Pinoy hip-hop, Francis Magalona.
I noticed that you also use the Philippine map, no?
Yeah, the Philippine map, like worldwide represent.
Oo.
Ang ano namin dyan, for example, if you would notice, this is the whole map, no? Na nag-flat. Dapat ang Pilipinas nandito. Diba? This is Australia, ito yung Hong Kong, ito yung...
Yes, oo.
Ito dapat Pilipinas. Tinanggal ko dyan, nilagay ko dito.
Matindi ang pagmamahal mo sa ating bansa. Saan nagagaling to? Aside of course from yung inspiration mo to do your music, no? But why are you this way?
Kasi parang, yung Filipino, we always get a bad rep overseas. Parang, they always say, is it safe in the Philippines? Because of the terrorism and all that. And then, we're known for to be so and so. So I said, I wanted something where Filipinos will wear our clothes. And then, really be proud of who we are.
Kapapasok lang po na balita, namatay na po actor TV host na si Francis Magalona. Inanunsyo po ito sa noontime show na Eat Bulaga sa GMA 7. Panoorin po natin ang anunsyo sa Eat Bulaga.
Sa lahat po ng nanonood ng Eat Bulaga, kinalulungkot po namin paalam sa inyo that Francis Magalona passed away this 12 noon. Marami siyang iniwang alaala sa atin dito sa Itbulaga, pati na sa larangan ng musika. We will surely miss him, pati na ang buong industriya. We request everyone to pause for a moment of prayers for the eternal repose of the soul of Francis. Our condolences to Pia and the family. Kiko, we love you. We love you.
You may be gone, but you're here in our hearts. We will never forget you. Kiko.
You know, it's been a long journey, sometimes sad, sometimes painful, sometimes happy and hopeful, and now to step actually in the studio, grab on the microphone, perform, see all of the people. I'm very happy. I'm glad to be home.
Rest in peace. 1964, 2009. Hey, Genocide G, listen close. It's the X to the O to the ICY. We represent the hip-hop with the movement. Philippines, one love shines. Filipino pride and flies. We got to shine, all we got to grind, all after all of the struggles and all the pain before we got a will to fulfill, show the world that it's real. Hip-hop Philippines, we're making it for real. We got to shine, all we got to grind, all after all of the struggles and all the pain before we got a will to fulfill, show the world that it's real. Hip-hop Philippines, we're making it for real. Philippines, Manila, rap music in the PIA. Now rising to the top, representing Southeast Asia. Emerging in the sea, Pinoys reaching for the dream. We gonna hustle to the top till we hit the mainstream. Bloodline of the realest, talented to the fullest. Filipinos be the illest, we survivor of the fittest. Better recognize these bitches, cause Pinoys ain't no pretenders. We the real mirror of struggles, say no, now we hustle harder. In the industry of music, we trying to contain this powerful breed of praise that we able to obtain. Our legacy that has no tarnish or stain. Rich culture of Pinoy, hip-hop is sustain. 8 rays of the sun, 3 stars in the flag. Now shining so bright, now serving as the light. You wanna prove, homeboy, just watch a Pac-Man's fight. That's how a Filipino will victorious in a fight. We got to shine, all we got to grind, all after all of the struggles and all the pain before we got a will to fulfill, show the world that it's real. Hip-hop Philippines, we're making it for real. We got to shine, all we got to grind, all after all of the struggles and all the pain before we got a will to fulfill, show the world that it's real. Hip-hop Philippines, we're making it for real. Hip-hop in the Philippines, we're making it real. You hear the rap songs everywhere, you know that it's real. With all the movement in the streets, you can hear it on the radio. Every little kid in the hood hustle for the blow. Plus the G's you see roaming in the streets at night. Graffiti on the wall from side to side, and you can see the chain hang low with the bling so shiny and so icy on the ringtone. The rims so glowing, like the beat so original. We flow like snowmen. Every day we're hustling and every day we're grinding, doing whatever till my whole world go flying. And we ain't stopping. Like Kiko and Andrew did in the old school rhyming. I'ma go now to fulfill my dream. So raise that flag, show some love for the hip-hop. We got to shine, all we got to grind, all after all of the struggles and all the pain before we got a will to fulfill, show the world that it's real. Hip-hop Philippines, we're making it for real. We got to shine, all we got to grind, all after all of the struggles and all the pain before we got a will to to fulfill. Show the world that it's real. Hip Hop Philippines, we're making it for real. We need to shine on, we need to grind more for all these haters in our way. We'll learn a lesson. We need to do more now, we need to move on now. Show the skills we got and tell the world what we made up. The talents we bring for all the sorrows and pain will never be wasted, so just do your thing.
And I'ma go hard now, so we gotta show now. We united for the Philippines, we defend that. It's been prophesized since the birth of Rizal that we youths are the hope of the generation now. So I gotta call the attention of the Filipinos. We gotta unite like a hero's fought for freedom. And before we close, let's pay tribute to Pinoy Rap King Francis M, our modern hero. This we dedicate to him.
We got to shine, shine, all we got to grind, grind all after all of the struggles and all the pain before we got a real to fulfill. Show the world that it's real. Hip Hop Philippines, we're making it for real. We got to shine, shine, all we got to grind, grind all after all of the struggles and all the pain before we got a real to fulfill. Show the world that it's real. Hip Hop Philippines, we're making it for real. We got to shine, shine, all we got to grind, grind all after all of the struggles and all the pain before we got a real to fulfill. Show the world that it's real. Hip Hop Philippines, we're making it for real. We got to shine, shine, all we got to grind, grind all after all of the struggles and all the pain before we got a real to fulfill. Show the world that it's real. Hip Hop Philippines, we're making it for real, for real, for real, for real, for real. It's the X to the O to the ICY. With the Jap,
There's the Jap,
with the movement.
who represent.
I'm not giving up on this though. I've been thinking lately, this is all my chance. And no matter what I do, memories pulls me back to you. Been all over town, never quite found the love that I have felt in your arms. Is dragging me down, no one around. Another sleepless night. You're the only one I know in the air I dream. Come closer to me. You are the sun. You are the sun. Light up the night, oh girl.
Since the first time we met, I know that we should get a wedding ring with bling that I'm sure you won't regret. Picture us in the same house, sitting in the same couch. I love you girl, this I promise, please don't doubt. My love for you is true and I will do all the things and requests that will please you. It's your boy now, this I say to you. I'm your number one, hasta you're my dream.
Thinking of leaving this town, there's nowhere around. You're on this chase, your face can't erase. It's your love, I'm crying out loud. Can you hear the sound of this heart beating, beating? You're the only one I know in the air I dream. Come closer to me. You are the sun. You are the sun. Light up the night, oh girl. Can you stay with me?
You're that girl in my dreams,
I really miss the time with you, baby. Your hugs and kisses so sweet, damn, you make me crazy. When I remember all the time we sharing the love, plus all the ups and downs we struggle, we can live it up. But now I'm all alone, I'm still thinking what happened. It's like a blink of an eye, my heart is so broken. But even if you left, I still won't forget that I met a girl like you, I will never regret.
I'm thinking of leaving this town. There's no one around. We're on this chase. Your face can't erase it. Your love, I'm crying out loud. Can you hear the sound of this heart beating, beating? You're the only one I need. Come closer to me. You are the sun. Can you light up the night, oh girl? Can you still hear me? You are the girl I need. Now take my hand, will you lead? And every night when stars are bright, can we extend our sights? If darkness falls, will we still hold? As tears will fall, please hear my call. Can you take me high? From all these broken wings we can fly. You're the only one I need. Come closer to me. You are the sun. Can you light up the night, oh girl? Can you still hear me?
Yo, what up?
Yo, G-Rhyme.
Yo, Suto.
Young on the line, bro.
Oh bro, musta? Saan ka?
Late na ako sa club, pare. Dami ng tao dito.
Ganun ba? Sino-sino na kayo dyan?
Kasama ko, homies ko na Axel Hood, pare.
Okay, sige. Punta na lang kami dyan. Mga taxista ba nandyan, ha?
Nag-text sa akin, on the way na daw sila eh, kayo.
Sige. On the way na rin kami. Si Genocide, ka-text na yung mga rural sound. Punta na lang kami dyan.
Okay, so paano, pare?
Sige, ingat. Sino yun? Nasa may akmak. Tara.
Meanwhile, on the way to the club.
Wala traffic, no? Oo nga eh. Oh, teka lang, may nag-text. Sino yan? Jinx 1 ng Rural South. Sabi niya, nasa na daw tayo. Okay. Sabi mo, on the way na, malapit na. Oo, nireply ko na. On the way na tayo. Okay.
That night at the club.
Ay, nakabuti na, nakating na tayo.
Sakto yung parking mo.
Ano ba?
Oo, okay din yun.
Sasa. Kung dala mo, iwan mo na muna.
Okay, sige. Dalay ka na muna dito sa...
Oo, pagilid dyan, sige. Tara.
Tara.
Alright.
Looks like the party got started.
It's our time to shine. Haha. Yeah! Genocide and G-Rhyme. Young Mach. It's the X to the O to the I-C-Y. We the movement. Gotta shake your body, go shake, baby. You gotta move the body, go move, baby. You gotta money, make the party pop and make that ass go pop and shake the body. Stay real. You gotta shake your body, go shake, baby. You gotta move the body, go move, baby. You gotta money, make the party pop and make that ass go pop and with the G's for real.
Hold up, let me introduce this track. It's your boy Genocide, now so Ice is back. And before we get it poppin' like that good kush, cause tonight all them hoes wanna make it loose. In the limelight, see my bling shine. As we walk inside the club, all the boys hate with my new clothes and my
fresh kicks. All them girls saying we so fly and banging. Yeah, we're gonna tear this club up. Shake your body to the flow and do that work right up. I'm so fresh and so clean. We so good and two guys are doing show the lead. Here's another hit and the finest beat. Look my charm so icy, homie, we the shit. In this club, we gonna pull it up.
Like my brother Umar said,
You live it up.
You gotta shake your body, go shake, baby. You gotta move your body, go move, baby. We gotta money, make that party pop and make that ass go clap and shake your body. So real. You gotta shake your body, go shake, baby. You gotta move your body, go move, baby. We gotta money, make that party pop and make that ass go clap and make that G's for real.
Proceed to the club, them beats got bouncing. Shorty staring back at us, them hearts got pounding. We gon' tear this rubber band of cash on our pocket while we sip on gin and like party hard and grinding. So I say cool, Dogs of Fam, Rural Records for life. We got that heat to make you sweat, we getting freaky tonight. All them bodies shake their booties while the lights are blinking. Me and my boys pop more bottles while them hoes are winding. So don't front, motherfuckers, cause we don't play. We strive hard for the streets like every day. We spit hot rhymes, them flows are shining. Young MAC on the mic, stay fresh and hustling. Raise up the beat, smoke the weed, what a beautiful sight. My eyes are chinky, eyes are red, I feel like I'm on flight. I'm the finest, we the realest 3Gs alive.
I bring the party from my hood.
Now Bill Street alive.
You gotta shake your body, go shake, baby. You gotta move your body, go move, baby. We gotta money, make that party pop and make that ass go clap and shake your body. So real. You gotta shake your body, go shake, baby. You gotta move your body, go move, baby. We gotta money, make that party pop and make that ass go clap and make that G's for real. You gotta shake your body, go shake, baby. Shake your ass, move your booty to the flow, baby. You gotta move your body, move, baby. I know it's so hot in here, now take it off, baby. Cause I'm a G to the rhyme. You know how I grind. I show some love for the G's and all the hustlers behind. So make it clap to the left and right. We go, shake your ass down low, keep it low, slow, flow like your body do the shaking on the dance floor, bouncing on the beat. Show the people that we got more shine like a diamond in the middle of the crowd. With my bling so shiny, penta so icy, with a long chain. Just do your thing, girl, dance more dirty, shake it like it's wet inside of your mind. We got all night, so just take your time. Do the bouncing to the sunshine. Shake your body, go shake, baby. You gotta move your body, go move, baby. We gotta money, make the party pop and make that ass go clap and shake the body. So real. You gotta shake your body, go shake, baby. You gotta move the body, go move, baby. We gotta money, make the party pop and make that ass go clap and make the G's for real. You gotta shake your body, you gotta move your body, baby. Yeah. Hey, genocide on the beat. Filipino Truest Productions. Yeah. So icy. Record.
Sa'yo lang ang puso ko, pati na ang buhay ko. Ika'y mamahalin, sasambitin ang ngalan mo. Sa'yo lang ang puso ko, pati na ang buhay ko. Kahit ano ay gagawin, titiisin para sa'yo. Ang awiting ito sa'yo ko lamang dedicated. Kahit na alam kong relasyon natin complicated, inaamin kong minsan sa'yo ako may pagkukulang. Pero wag mong isipin may iba dahil ikaw lang. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo, puso ko ang nagpapatunay na hindi mabubura hanggang ako ay nabubuhay. Mahal na mahal kita kahit hindi ko maipakita. Wag mo akong iiwan dahil hindi ko makakaya. Labis ang aking saya kapag ikaw ang kasama. Hindi maipaliwanag itong aking nadarama ng aking puso, tanging ikaw lang ang laman. At ang pagmamahal kong to sa'yo nakalaan. Gagawin ko ang lahat, maipakita at ipapadama. Ibigay mo lang ang tiwala at wag kang mangamba na baka isipin mo nang tulad ko'y nagbibiro. Hindi ko magagawa yan at hindi ko nilalaro. Sa'yo lang ang puso ko, pati na ang buhay ko. Ika'y mamahalin, sasambitin ang ngalan mo. Sa'yo lang ang puso ko, pati na ang buhay ko. Kahit ano ay gagawin, titiisin para sa'yo. Kung minsan may tampuhan at pagtatalo, huwag kang mag-alala dahil wala nang magbabago. You and me, sana'y palaging matatag. Magkalayo man tayo, sana'y laging panatag ang kalooban natin sa bawat isa. Kahit may humat lang sa atin ay hindi mahalaga. Lahat ng pangarap natin, sabay nating tutupadin. Kaya magsisikap ako, oras ay di sasayangin. Ayokong mawala ka, paano na ako? Sa'yo lang umiikot ang buhay kong ito. Kahit anong problema kaya nating lampasan. Ano man ang sabihin nila, wala silang karapatan. Ikaw ang mahalaga sa akin, wala nang iba. Ano man ang mangyari, tayo lamang dalawa. Hanggang katapusan, sana ako ay iyong makasama. Pangalan J-Man, palagi mo sanang maalala. Sa'yo lang ang puso ko, pati na ang buhay ko. Ika'y mamahalin, sasambitin ang ngalan mo. Sa'yo lang ang puso ko, pati na ang buhay ko. Kahit ano ay gagawin, titiisin para sa'yo. Sa'yo lang ang puso ko, pati na ang buhay ko. Ika'y mamahalin, sasambitin ang ngalan mo. Sa'yo lang ang puso ko, pati na ang buhay ko. Kahit ano ay gagawin, titiisin para sa'yo.
Realest underground rhymes, artists and lyrics.
Rural Records Entertainment.
Rural Records collaboration.
Yo, now is the time to show you who's got the realest movement in this game. We represent our hometown, Santa Ana. Rural Record with the movement, Numero unong paglapat, simula pa lang ay magugulat. Para bang narinig ang bomba na sumabog, sumang ulat ginawa. Dami ng mga liriko na magsusumpa, sa larangang pinasukan, buhay ang itataya. Kaya nga't ang Rural Records, pinuring ang pwersa ng ilalim. Pinasa ang mga dila na magbibigay ng tani sa laro. Makamandag na estilong papakita, magpapamalas ng galing at husay sa pagrima. Taga Santa Ana, aming balwarting hinawakan. Solido ang pangalan at silyado ang daanan. G-Rhyme, ang plaka at sukay siyang sandigan. Ngayon ay pakinggan bawat tugmaan at datingan.
Misteryoso, hawak na naman ang mikropono. Magpapasabog na makabagong liriko. Tila punyal na matalim ang letra. Saking kokote, saan man labanan kami ang mananatili. Iba klase ang voltahe pag ako umatake. Ika'y mangingisay na para bang kinukuryente. Kaya bago magsalita, basahin ang nakatala. Pagkat ito ang babala kung sino man ang babangga. Para kang isang baka na na-stranded sa baha. Pag kami ang nakalaban, tsak basag ang iyong panga. Kaya humanda kayo sa pwersa na Santa Ana. ako ay kabilang sa munting makata.
Hindi na naman nagbabalik at gagawa ng hudyat. Mga sundalo na silang kasi lakas ng kidlat. Hindi nyo kami makakaya kahit pa kayo magigil. Wala akong pake at di ako magpapapigil. Magsisilbing apoy at sa inyo kami tutusta. Ako ang kikitil at sa inyo aalipusta. Pinasa na ang dila na magsisilbing patalim. Para sa hinayupak na gusto kami banggain. Mula pa noon hanggang ngayon binansagan na little yan. Mga kalabang pumapapil sa akin, di pwede yan. Sa lugar na Santa Ana kami na ang maghahari. Pagkat dito ngayon sa rural kayo na ay mayayari.
On the spot kong hinawakan na mic sa paglitaw. Ngayon talento kong ito unting-unting lumilitaw. Humanda na sa mga kanagang binubuga. Pagkat pangalan J-Man, never pa tumuba. Sa pabangis, sa palupitan, kaya ko sumabay. Kahit sa freestyle mo kung hamunin, ikaw ang sasablay. Kaya sa babay ka to sa mga salitang aking pinapakawalan. Na hindi mo kanyang habulin kung ganito lang din na mga banatan. Sa bayan kung sa bayan, sa mga nagbabala, sa mga umientra, dugo ang papatak. Santa Ana's finest, Quezon, nagsama-sama sa ganitong larangan, dito kami kumakasa.
Ngayon nandito na batang sutilan tinadhana. Simula umusbong sa lugar ng Santa Ana. Rural entertainment ang aking kaalyado. Ang aking nakalabang puro na makabado. 3-5 represent ito ang aking grupo. Nagsala pamilya, pulido ang talento. Ako ang elemento sa lugar ng San Andres. Huwag na mapumilit, kayo'y mapapanis. Huwag nyo nang balakin na kami ay banggain. Sa larangan na ito baka kayo ay samain. Ito na katapusan ng mga nahihibang. Para kayong mga timang na sa akin nag-aabang.
Sana ang iyong talino o utak sa ating larangan. Kung sa aking katatapat, wala ka sa aking karangalan. Sige, subukan. Ngayon kay Sweet Uno, makipagtagisan. Nang malaman na natin kung sino ang pararatangan. Kayo'y lumisan at tupunan namin, wag ng labanan. Pagkat rural records ang dala namin pangalan. At iyon ang saksihan, mga liriko na bibitawan. Ngayon tumatatak patungo sa iyong bunbunan. Dito Santa Rima ang aking pinagmulan. Munting makatanan silangan, doon ako napapabilang. At lugar ng Santa Ana ang aming didepensahan. Mula sa mananakop na galing sa ibang bayan.
Mandaluyo, kung tawagin aming syudad. At ang dalang tapang parang pasensya na sagad. Aking ilalahad ang himagsikang hinagkis na ikukumpara sa tigring mabangis. Di mo mapapantayan kahit umantungan sa batayan. Lantaran ng tapang kailangan di mo kayang tapakan. Mula sa Antonio Luna kasaman Santa Ana, Mandaluyong to Manila, ito na aming birada. Pinagsama-sama mga talentadong katipunero. Ngayon pakinggan, primerong klaseng talento. Kilala bilang Juanito, Vera Enjo estilo Pilipino ako, 100%.
From Area A, I represent Batasan. Ang aking pinagmulan na di pwedeng tapakan. Salpukan ng gulo ang linis ng lansangan. Kung naghahamon ka, dito natin idaan. Sino ba ang malakas? Tama bang binabagtas? Bawat akbang bubay, sigurado kang ligtas sa pagampas ng hangin. Sa dalampasigan, sigurado ka ba dyan? Meron ka bang tatakbuhan? Kailangan maniwala sa ating sarili. Tibay ng ating loob ay lagi lang nananatili. Huwag mo akong ismulin kahit ako'y baguhan. Dahil kaya kong lumabang kahit walang sandalan.
R to the AP, I'm one of the Texas family. Rural Records, ENT, call me young M to the AC. From Napilville, hood rich. We fly, we chill in this bitch. Come with me and pass the Duce from the left hand side. Yo, pass the Duce from the left hand side. And we fly. We go past across the border, straight ahead until we reach the top of mountains. Respect the hoods, respect the gang connections. Let's unite. All together do the movement, then we clap. Clap, 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 clap. From the streets of Malate all the way to Santa Ana.
Marami nang tatangga sa akin ay bumangga. Lakat sila ay natutong huwalik sa lupa. Sa aking pagbabalik, marami nang nasasabi. Pagkat ang tira ko ngayon ay sadyang kay base. Ako'y hindi nag-iisa, rural lang kasama. 100% ilalabas ang peba. Ako ay batang Santa Ana, gusto ng pwersa. Di ka na uubra kahit gumamit pa ng skwala. Ito ang patike ng bilang matalin. Dito sa Teheran ako unang nagasik ng lagyan. Sa bawat ibibitaw, lakat ito gumagalaw. Ito ang unang hudyat sa paglubog ng araw.
Ito ang unang akda ng malupit naming pagragasa. Komplikadong testamentong sasambulat pipinsala. Daba, akalain mo ba na wala na makakatapat sa mga salita na aking binigay? Lubos sa talino ang aming taglay, ito ang patunay sa mga nagbalak na kami pabagsakin. Para bang pinakukuluan ko ang utak na walang laman kundi ang hangin. Huwag nang balakin, sa amin ay hindi ka papalarin. Kung nabunod mo ang hari, yak alas ang akin. Malamang ay kukulangin, di ka na pababangunin. Pupulbusin kita na para bang isang buhangin. Pinakakawalan na mga salita na aking nilapag. At na mamayag pag hindi mo matibag, hindi mo maarong, huwag ka na sumabay. Utak mo ibugo.
Teka muna sandali, ako naman ang bibira. Dahil itong aking bunganga, di na maawat pa. Pag ako ang bumugalakan, sila'y mauuga. Sa lugar ng Santa Ana, dito ko nagmula. Dito na tumanda, dito natutong tumula. Sa aking pagsusulat, marami ang namangha. Kadikit ang rural record at sila ang kasangga. Maraming nagtangka, maraming nang sumabay. Pero lahat sila ay mga nakakandusay, walang saysay. Kapag sila ang bibira, pagkat si Kojak at ang rural, di nyo mabubura. Kaya kahit anong gawin, di kayo uubra.
Ito na't nagsama-sama at muling nagpakalasan. Sa bibitawan ko ngayon, hindi nyo na kayang tumbasan. Sa mga nagbabalak, gusto na kami tapatan. Ito din yun ang inyong galing para kami masabayan. Pagkat nandito na si Pampilo, onda na mapagsabayan. Sa mga kumakalaban, sa aming puno na kayabangan. Ito panibagong estilo, talagang kwalipikado. Kahit di patino toto, ito'y garantisado. At bago kayo magsalita, kilalanin nyo muna kami bago natin simulan ang ating pagtutugali. Ako ay nagulang pa sa baryo ng Santa Rima. Ang ngayon narinig nyo ko sa maluwati ng Santa Ana.
Sumalang na ang batikal, ngayon lahat ay tatapakan. Sa larangan ng katayan na cover, dugo at kamatayan. Rural records at so ay sinananatili sa larangan. Hanggang ngayon tumayo na mag-isa, alyansa di kailangan. Genocide na tinaguri ang nakasaad sa propesya. O ang utak ng pagkilos, ang pasto na ligaw na tupa. Nananalaytayan dugo ko sa bawat pagbitaw na letra mula ugat hanggang sa down. Ako nagsisilbing sistema rural ang kumakatawan sa buong distrito na Santa Ana. Nilagdaan ko na ang tituluan, ito aming proheb. At di kain ay tapusin ang lumalalang hidwan. Ito ang aming mga banat na higit pa sa sukdulan.
Yo, what up? Hey, hey. We just wanna send our shout outs to all of you out there. For all the supporters, for all the hustle and pain you shared to keep this game right. You know what I'm saying? Sa lahat ng sumuporta at tumakilig sa Pinoy rap sa Pinas, sa hip hop, we will shine someday. And I know we're on our way on it. For all the ups and downs, we still together, fighting. For all the dirt we spit, we still shine. And we ain't stopping. Cause Rural Records Entertainment and Filipino Truest Productions is an army. We are the streets. We got it all right here. From finest beats to finest recordings, all in one shit. Just keep it locked. Gusto namin batiin ang mga sumusunod na rural artists. Sa tatlong rima, Kilas Brutal, Gomez Proud, Artriculo, SOB, Laking Inuriaga, 365, kay Miss Unica, Classic Love, yeah, what's up? At siyempre, sa Rural South, kay na Jigs 1, J-Man, Jopak, haha, tuloy-tuloy lang sa paggawa ng kanta. Angat lang ng angat. Thank God, nandito na kami. Haha, sa Batangas Hood, what's up? What's up, Doc Lando? We the movement. Sa Manila, Santa Ana, what's up my hometown? What's up Maki? What's up Tags de la Familia? What's up Nak Beirut? Young Mom, hey DJ Marky, Marky Madness, yo. What's up? salamat. One love. Hey. And if you're looking for us, www.ruralmusic.tk. You can also check out our friends to run Rural Records at yahoo.com. It's all about, right? It's the X to the O to the I-C-Y. Genocide and G-Rhyme. We the movement, we the streets. 2009, we shine. To all the radio stations out there, it's hip-hop stirring. So make way, yeah. Maraming pong salamat sa lahat, sa mga kaibigan namin, sa Rodins and Reyes. Hey, hey, one love. Rest in peace to my realest OG, Jenway Lumbang, and to the king of Pinoy hip-hop, Francis Magalona. Peace. Yo, Genocide and G-Rhyme, in this motherfucker. Rural Record. So I see lahat ng gangsters in the club sumayaw, boy. Lahat ng ladies in the club shake that ass, girl. Sumabay sa bayo, gumalaw ka sa flow. Babahan ng alak, bawal lang magulo, yo.
Get bounce to this, see walk to this, in Harlem shake to this, yo. It's the realest Filipino G's. Throw your gang signs, boy, as we rap the streets. Makinig at gumalaw, umitak at sumayaw. It's your boy, Genocide, ngayon nang bumibitaw. Skills and the flows, lahat ito lumilitaw. When I touch the mic, lahat ng girls umihiyaw. It's the Santa Ana G's, from the realest ghetto streets. Hood rich, hustlers, we keep it locked in the streets. Pedro Hill at Paco, Pandakan at San Andres. Matitikas na lugar sa Maynila, it's the best. Kami na ang tutumbok ng tunay na bounce song. Lahat ng gangsters gumagalaw sa aming club song, na talagang malupit pa sa anumang rap song. Don't get me wrong, homeboy, it's the newest flip song. Lahat ng thugs gumalaw, lahat ng bitches take it up. Let's enjoy the party, lahat ng rockers umupo. In this beat that we made, in this rap that we flow. Bawal lang away, mga baril, ipito.
Lahat ng gangsters in the club sumayaw, boy. Lahat ng ladies in the club shake that ass, girl. Sumabay sa bayo, gumalaw ka sa flow. Babahan ng alak, bawal lang magulo, yo.
Get bounce to this, see walk to this, in Harlem shake to this, yo. It's the realest Filipino G's. Throw your gang signs, boy, as we rap the streets.
G-Rhyme, ako naman ang magdadala sa'yo sa isang lugar sa lupa dito sa mundong ito. Tignan mo ang mga tao sa loob at labas, sumasayaw, gumagalaw dahil sa aming bigas. Lumakla ka pa ng alak at sumindi ng Malboro. Wag lang manggugulo, baka mapalo ko ang ulo. Wag ka din magyayabang na parang sakop mo lahat. Kapalagbayan lahat, baka tumba ko yan lahat. Lumalaw ng nararapat, sumabay ka lang sa lapat. Huwag kang mag-alala, sagot ko na dito ang bayad. Lumingon sa kaliwa at lumingon ka din sa kanan. Nagsasayawan ang mga loko pagsabihan, huwag kang mabibigla. Pakinggan aking sinasabi, panahon ng hip-hop ngayon dapat makisali. From Batangas to Manila, kataga ko'y lalathala. Rumispeto ka nga kung ayaw mong mapahiya. Lahat ng gangsters in the club sumayaw, boy. Lahat ng ladies in the club shake that ass, girl. Sumabay sa bayo, gumalaw ka sa flow. Babahan ng alak, bawal lang magulo, yo.
Get bounce to this, see walk to this, in Harlem shake to this, yo. It's the realest Filipino G's. Throw your gang signs, boy, as we rap the streets. Ang mga girls lasing na, ang mga boys sumindi pa. Magdamagang party, epekto nitong kanta. Makisali na sa bilog, ipamalas na ang siwong. Sa bilis na strobe light, madami nang wala sa hulog. Paglasingan pa ulit, magbasagan pa ulit. Pagkatapos mong sumuka, heto syumat ka ulit. Huwag mag-alala sa trouble, huwag mag-alala sa awa. Genocide, injirahin kami sa inyo
Ngayon ang aming taon, ngayon ang aming panahon, kaya lahat kumilos para wag kayong mabaon. Ang mga simbolong ito ang magsasabi sa inyo, it's from the old school, baby, you know what we do. Ngayon namin ipapadanas at aming ipapamalas ang lupit ng tunay na kami lang ang matitikas. Kahit san pa to abutin, dance floor man o rap awitin, bababounce baby, i-play mo to ulit-ulit. Lahat ng gangsters in the club, sumayaw boy. Lahat ng ladies in the club, shake that ass girl. Sumabay sa bayo, gumalaw ka sa flow. Babahan ng alak, bawal lang magulo, yo.
Get bounce to this, see walk to this, in Harlem shake to this, yo. It's the realest Filipino G's. Throw your gang signs boy as we rap the streets.
Lahat ng gangsters in the club, sumayaw boy. Lahat ng ladies in the club, shake that ass girl. Sumabay sa bayo, gumalaw ka sa flow. Babahan ng alak, bawal lang magulo, yo.
Get bounce to this, see walk to this, in Harlem shake to this, yo. It's the realest Filipino G's. Throw your gang signs boy as we rap the streets.
Record. So icy.